Hello, welcome to Absolut Drinks. I'm Rico, and today we're going to show you how to make the perfect vodka soda. Okay, I know this is a very, very simple drink, but it's one that you guys at home keep asking, how do you make vodka and soda? We're going to show you. One of the keys to this drink, I think, is to get a lot of fresh lime juice in there. So we're going to do a really easy step of taking 1 lime, 1 citrus press, and 2 drinks. We're going to slice this in half. We're going to take our citrus elbow, and we're just going to juice half the juice of 1 lime into each of these glasses. Next up, we're going to ice them up. Take our original Absolut Vodka. We're going to want 45 mils per drink. Then take your preferred soda. And then I just like to get a lime, do a couple of wheels. Throw them in there. Vodka Soda for the gods. Refreshing. Done right, it's my go-to drink on the night out. So good.